They stand like ghosts on our coastlines, hidden in forests, remnants of the Second World War. These concrete giants, built for a conflict that ended 80 years ago, are more than just shelters. They were fortresses, designed to withstand the most powerful weapons of their time. Today, we look at these structures with awe, questioning their enduring strength. The bunkers represent a moment when an entire continent was locked in a desperate struggle for survival. Millions of tons of concrete and steel created a network of defenses stretching thousands of miles. Exploring these places is a powerful experience, stepping from bright daylight into a dark, cool interior. Each bunker tells a story of the men who built it and served within it. They remind us of the immense human effort and sacrifice demanded by the war, but these bunkers are not just relics, they are engineering puzzles. Modern demolition crews find them a nightmare, as they were built with a focus on strength. This is why these silent sentinels continue to stand guard, challenging our modern world. They are a stubborn reminder of a past that refuses to be erased. These structures challenge us to understand the secrets locked within their thick concrete walls. They are time capsules, preserving a chapter of history we must never forget. They stand as a testament to incredible fear and ingenuity. What made these structures so tough? The answer: build bigger, thicker, and deeper than needed. Facing new warfare, engineers used mass as the primary defense. Enormous amounts of reinforced concrete created walls and roofs many meters thick. This over-engineering made bunkers incredibly resilient. The concrete mix, often using local aggregates, was dense, with steel rebar providing tensile strength. The steel absorbed shock waves, while concrete dissipated energy. Bunkers were designed with sloped walls to deflect shells, and were often built underground. This not only absorbed explosions but also made them harder to spot from the air. By combining mass, reinforcement, clever design, and natural protection, engineers created fortresses that could endure almost anything. It was a simple formula, but devastatingly effective. The philosophy of over-engineering ensured these bunkers could withstand future threats. The materials and design created a composite far stronger than concrete or steel alone. WWII engineers built fortresses that could endure almost anything the enemy could throw at them. The Atlantic Wall was a monumental WWII project, a chain of fortifications over 5,000 kilometers long. Ordered by Hitler, it aimed to prevent an Allied invasion of mainland Europe. The wall was a complex defensive system of bunkers, gun emplacements, and obstacles. Huge gun casemates housed artillery capable of sinking warships. The German Todt organization led the construction, using a vast workforce, including forced laborers. Standardized bunker designs allowed for efficient construction. Despite its reputation, the wall failed to stop the D-Day landings. However, the bunkers proved their worth, holding out for hours or days. The Atlantic Wall stands as a powerful example of engineering feats during WWII. The bunkers at Omaha Beach and Pointe du Hoc became legendary symbols of brutal fighting. Even in failure, the wall remains a testament to the incredible engineering of the time. The wall's construction was a huge logistical challenge, showcasing the scale of the war effort. The Atlantic Wall is a stark reminder of the immense human and material resources devoted to war. Flak towers, or Flaktürme, were colossal anti-aircraft fortresses in cities like Berlin and Vienna. They served as platforms for anti-aircraft guns and air raid shelters for civilians. Built in pairs, the G tower housed guns, while the L tower contained command posts. Their walls, up to 3.5 meters thick, were invulnerable to Allied bombs. During the Battle of Berlin, Soviet forces struggled to destroy them. Built rapidly between 1940 and 1943, they were brutalist architecture at its core. Inside, they were self-contained fortresses with water, power, and hospitals. After the war, their size and strength made demolition difficult. Some towers still stand, repurposed as nightclubs and aquariums. They're a powerful legacy of the war, absorbed into city life. The flak towers symbolize defiance, rising from city streets. They were built with incredible speed, prioritizing function over aesthetics. These towers are a strange and enduring legacy of WWII. Ein Major Daufortsi, Justalwerkendik and Sabertalbertenscher, Nanim. The Wolf's Lair, or Wolf's Schanze, was Hitler's primary Eastern Front headquarters. A sprawling complex of over 80 buildings, it was heavily fortified and camouflaged. Hitler's personal bunker was reinforced repeatedly, with an 8-meter-thick roof. The complex was protected by minefields and anti-aircraft guns. Life inside was isolated and paranoid, with constant security. The most famous attempt on Hitler's life occurred here in 1944. The complex was abandoned and destroyed as the Soviet army advanced. Today the ruins are a tourist attraction, offering insight into the war's scale. The Wolf's Lair was a nerve center of the Nazi war machine. Walking among the ruins reveals the dark history of this remote hideaway. WWII bunker construction was a world apart from modern practices, defined by over-engineering. Engineers used brute force and massive safety margins, prioritizing survival over cost. The dense steel rebar and special concrete created incredibly strong structures. This approach, while wasteful by today's standards, ensured the bunker's longevity. The construction relied on a vast pool of labor, much of it forced. Modern projects prioritize efficiency, governed by strict regulations and ethics. WWII banks were WWII and I study done. Methods were brutal, focusing on strength and disregarding cost. The bunker's survival is a testament to this unique moment in construction history. The human element was crucial, with labor exploitation enabling rapid construction. The philosophy of over-engineering created structures that have endured for decades. This era of construction cannot and should not be repeated. WWII bunkers were designed to stop physical projectiles, but nuclear bombs changed everything. Modern bunkers are different, built inside mountains for protection. They focus on surviving EMPs and ensuring command systems function post-blast. Precision-guided munitions present new challenges, requiring layered defenses. Modern threats are varied, including cyber attacks. Bunkers are now digital fortresses, with secure communication networks. The concept of a fortress has expanded to include firewalls and encryption. Modern defense is about outsmarting weapons, not just absorbing impact. The nature of warfare has evolved, requiring flexible and intelligent defense. The fight is now about protecting electronics as much as people. The old philosophy of just build it thicker no longer applies. Today's world is different from the 1940s, impacting bunker construction. Globalization and alliances like NATO reduce the need for massive fortifications. Defense focuses on rapid deployment, intelligence, and cooperation. Cost and public opinion make WWII-style bunkers impractical. Modern construction prioritizes speed and efficiency over brute strength. Prefabricated components and modular designs are now standard. Modern conflicts involve guerrilla warfare, terrorism, and cyber threats. Static lines of concrete bunkers are less relevant today. Defense needs to be flexible, mobile, and intelligent. WWII bunkers are engineering feats, but solutions to outdated problems. The world has moved on, and so have our methods of building and defending. Shepherd WWII bunkers hold a powerful grip on our imagination, connecting us to the conflict's scale and terror. They are monuments to a generation's struggle and fear, physical scars on the landscape. Engineers find them fascinating, marveling at their audacity and strength. Bunkers serve as warnings from history, showing the cost of fortifying borders. They remind us of the immense resources and lives spent preparing for war. Bunkers are storytellers, revealing tales of design, soldiers, and battles. They challenge us to demolish them, often winning. They force us to confront a difficult chapter of our past. As long as they stand, they will fascinate, educate, and haunt us. They ensure we never forget the world that created them. These concrete structures are a testament to history's enduring impact.